Hello everyone and welcome back to the Science Defense Frequency. V-22 Osprey Infographic showcases information on one of the world's most powerful and dynamic VTOL/STOL military transport aircraft. Current users of the aircraft include the United States Marine Corps, the United States Air Force, and United States Navy, with Japan officially signed on as the first official export customer. The Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey is an entirely unique multi-mission combat aircraft that is manufactured by a joint service partnership between Bell Helicopter and Boeing Rotorcraft systems. It achieved first flight on March 19, 1989, and was introduced into service on June 13, 2007. This aircraft was designed around the concept of combining the vertical functionality of a conventional helicopter with the high speed and long-range outputs of a turboprop aircraft. The V-22 first flew in 1989 and began flight testing and design alterations. The complexity and difficulties of being the first tiltrotor for military service led to many years of development.
Okay, we're going to move forward.
The United States Department of Defense, DoD, initiated a program to develop an innovative transport aircraft with long-range, high-speed, and vertical takeoff capabilities, and the Joint Service Vertical Takeoff/Landing Experimental (JVX) program officially commenced in 1981. As a result of its fixed wing and rotary wing functionality, the V-22 is well known for its vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL), as well as short takeoff and landing (STOL) capabilities. It is this versatility and robustness that makes the V-22 the aircraft of choice for a variety of challenging roles. In addition to direct combat, the V-22 has the capacity to successfully complete search and rescue missions, provide humanitarian assistance, facilitate aircraft carrier onboard delivery, and can assist with military logistics, the transportation of troops and equipment. Along with that, the V-22 has been built with aerial refueling capabilities, which effectively extends the overall range of the aircraft, allowing it to participate in more lengthy missions. Upon landing, the aircraft's foldable rotors and rotatable wings make for easy storage and allow for the maximization of space. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content.